Okay, new message from Max. We're getting close. We got our top navigation nailed down and I'm sending it your way. Look at 25 main navigation wireframe ping for the wireframe. All right, let's take a look. Let's open up 25. So we have our top navigation here. We have links for home, about, calendar, team, blog, and contact. If we look at the main navigation now, we have one item in it, home. Let's start by adding the about menu item. Now there's often two different ways to create a menu item. One is to add it manually, and the second is to add it through the configuration of the content edit form. Let's do it the manual way first. So we can get to the menu configuration two ways. We can either use the quick edit button here and go to edit menu, or we can go to structure, menus, and we want to edit the main navigation. So here's our one menu item. Let's add a new one. So this will be called about. And for the link, we can either point to a URL or we can search for content. So let's start typing about, and there we go. This is the one we want. We want to keep this enabled. If we disable it, it will hide it, but keep it in the menu structure if we want to enable it later. A description shows when we hover over the menu item. We'll leave that empty for now. Show as expanded comes into play when we're dealing with hierarchical menus, so we'll leave that unchecked. We'll leave the parent link as the menu itself. Weight we talked about earlier, but this is a more practical implementation of it. The heavier the weight, the further down or to the right the menu item will show. Because we can use drag and drop to reorder these, it's not usually necessary to modify the weight directly. Let's click Save. Okay, here's our About menu item.